Wow!
Oh, look at the animals. Which one you like? Which one? Ah, that one. Ah, you like it? Opo, and then? Hi! Hello guys! Say hello guys, welcome to our channel. Hi! Welcome to our first vlog. First vlog with AJ. Not actually first, but we're gonna try to start vlogging again, right? Yay! We're gonna show you a little unboxing. Yeah, because AJ's got a new clothes again from Zara. Let's show them Zara. This is another AJ's outfit. Come here, Baba. Oh. So we're gonna open this. Yay! Are you excited? Oh, what is that?
Come back here. Mag-vlog pa tayo.
Open this. Oh, wow. You hear that? Yay! Open na ng bagong damit ni AJ. Oh, AJ. So, we want to thank our Lola for this. And Lolo. Kasi yung in-laws ko, siya talaga yung namimili ng damit ni AJ. Marami na siya nabili, pero namimili din kami for AJ. Pero, pagka nag-request, usually ako na parang, oh Lola, there's a like, maraming magagandang damit sa Zara. Tapos, titingin na yun. Ano na siya, bibilan niya na si AJ. So, thank you po. This is for AJ's winter and fall outfit. Look at this.
AJ, come here.
Oh no! Here lang, stay ka lang here. Binigyan na nga kita ng snacks eh. Ay! Come here sa mama. First one is, wow! This is so nice. Let's put it in the...
Yung kasama ko mag-vlog, oh, diba? Ang saya niya ka-bonding. Hoy! Come here. Come here. Ay?
Look, oh. Oh, come here. Come here. Hindi kita bibigyan nito. So, first one is this. Mom. And, am I cute? I know, you're so cute, Baba. So, what?
Wow. Taray ng biyanan ko. Binili niya ito, hindi to sale. Alam ko dalawa lang yung
Sale dito, but I'm not sure it included this. So, this is 12 to 18 months. It's a little bit bigger, pero okay lang yun. Gusto ko yun, yung medyo malaki ng kaunti kay AJ, para din hindi naman nasasayang, tapos saglit lang isusuot. So, this is the first one. Oh! This is the one that is on sale. It's a pair. Knit jeans. Like it. I like the color. It's 12 and 18 months then. But this one is on sale. Come here! Hindi mo na sinamahan si mommy. Come here. You want one? Oh, come here kay mommy. Come here beside mama. Ay! Ay! Oh my goodness. Pagod niyo naman kasama mag-vlog. So, tatlo yung nakalagay sa ganito. Oh. Cute. Parang nakabalot na siya ng ganito. I think ito yung mga pair na kinuha ni Lola. So, oh! This is so lambot. This is like another pair of pajama. It's another pair of pajama, but I can also use this pang alis. Basta ido-double lang ng ano.
And another
One na nakalagay sa something like this. Oh, this is the jumpsuit. Wow, but it's so big. This one is so big.
Look, hindi to...
Kasha kay Bebe. But anyway, I'm just gonna keep this.
I'm gonna keep it.
Susuot din naman niya to. AJ. And then, another long sleeve Animal Super Friends. Look at the back details.
Wow!
Baba, look at the animals. Which one you like? Which one? Wow. Ah, that one. Oh, you like it? Opo. And then, hi. I know. You like this one? You wanna touch it? You wanna hold it? I mean, do you wanna hold your... Oh, one more cute long sleeves. Everything is about willpower. Rush mode. That's what it says in the t-shirt. You like this one? Oh, come here. You wanna see yourself in the camera?
Hi!
Hi. Wow, this is a nice color. And I like it. Ang cute ng design. Actually, yung iba, ako yung pinili ko na siya, tapos sinend ko na lang sa bianan ko. Sinend ko lang sa kanya na, ito po yung mga possible na, mga pwede nyong ikuhanin if okay lang sa kanya. So, yun naman yung mga binili niya. And this one, the polo, long sleeve polo, I like this. I like the baby blue color. Baby blue. Ang taray ng baby blue.
Another 12 to...
18 months, this is not expensive. This is cheap.
Don't worry about it.
Ah, look at this turtleneck. Oh my God! Magagamit namin to pag nagpunta kami ng pumpkin patch. Yun, ganun. Look at this. I like it.
I'm excited too.
Dressed up AJ again. And last one is this one. Did someone say food?
Is it a cat?
Or a tiger? Well, anyway. They're almost the same. Yay! Tapos na unboxing namin. Nawala na yung kasama ko.
Uy! Done na yung vlogging. Say bye! Thank you for watching our vlog. Uy!
Thank you for watching our vlog. Please like and subscribe po.
Bye na.
Dad.